Giada. You and your hiccups.
Hi, sweetie. Here, hold that. Here we go. Why do you want to keep flopping that head around? Give Daddy a kiss. Give Daddy a kiss. Give Daddy a kiss. No, I guess no kiss. What? What?
Giada.
Open those peepers. Open those peepers. Thank you. Now say hello. 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 Don't give me dirty looks. Can I have a kiss now? Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Stretch, stretch, stretch.